You are? Really? Right, so you haven't done this before then?
No, not this bit.
No, right. If you want to hold on to the bar, that's right. The track is coming along fairly soon. As you probably know, the racetrack was built between 1904 and 1907. Test Hill, which we're going to run this afternoon, started being used about 1909, and it was used for testing and also for racing up as well, time trialing type thing.
Wow.
Right, it starts at 1 in 8, then goes 1 in 5, and then 1 in 4.
Right.
Okay, yeah. Because the museum's in this section of the actual original track.
Yeah.
The original track was about 2 3/4 miles long.
Right.
Because it's on the tightest curvature on the circuit, we've actually got the highest bit of banking.
Right.
Banking in this section at its highest point was about 29-30 point vertical drop.
Right.
All built by hand, no JCBs, no mechanical stuff. All built, let's say, 1904, 1907. So picks and shovels and horse-drawn carts. The big race cars would have been going around here at about cars now. So quite scary,
yeah.
really, when you consider the other side at the top there. In the race days, there would have been no Armco barriers, no crash barriers. It was literally a drop the other side. The trees wouldn't have been there or anything. So.
You wouldn't really want to come off, would you?
No. half dozen or so guys were killed up on this section of the track.
We got the top again. You think you're going to come off there, don't you?
Well, we're only allowed to do 45 miles an hour.
Oh, really?
Let's say the actual race cars would have been doing about 140. So.
Gosh. So this is a replica as well, is it?
It's a kit car, yeah.
Oh, okay.
We've got 2 of them. One is Richard's, the green one. These are MGs.
All right.
Designed by an automotive aerospace engineer called Nick Green.
Right.
In the middle 70s, early 80s. This one's based on an early Aston Martin.
Right.
But the donor car for this was a 1963 MG B, so it's got a 1800 B series PLC engine in it.
Right.
Got a single carb, unlike the Graham, the guy that used to own this. He didn't like twin carbs, so he converted it and put a single carb on it. I've got an MG B at home with twin carbs, and this guy's actually just a split.
I was going to say, it goes pretty quick, doesn't it? That's a fire engine there. He's not going up there, is he?
What size engine's in this?
It's an 1800, it's basically an MG B.
Okay.
And these are the old pit sheds here.
Yeah.
Well, as they called them in the old days, tuning bays. If you go down to Goodwood motor racing circuit, they've got a proper pit lane with all the new garages. But behind them is actually a big paddock area